Hello, it's me again. Now, so far in this series of videos, we've focused on installing new batteries into a new VaultFlex cabinet. But we are aware that you may have an existing cabinet which needs replacement batteries. Now, the procedure for removing batteries is very much a reversal of the install procedure. Now, before we start, I need to remind you that batteries are always live. Even so-called dead batteries can still hold a dangerous charge, so please treat them with respect. Make sure that you remove all metal items such as watches, rings and other jewellery. Now, if you haven't yet had time to watch the safety precautions video in part 2, then I recommend that you take a couple of minutes and do so now. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to isolate the cabinet by turning off the charger. Now, this may need site authorization, so please check. Switch off the circuit breakers, then disconnect the cables on the positive side. And of course, remember, use insulated tools. Then disconnect the negative cables, again using insulated tools. Now we can remove the retaining brackets if fitted. And remove the connector bars from the batteries, starting at the top left and working our way down to the bottom right, replacing the terminal covers as we go. As with the install, these batteries are very heavy, so you're going to need a colleague wearing the correct safety equipment to help you. And of course, make sure they're not wearing any watches, rings or other jewellery. If the batteries are installed above chest height, you may also need some lifting equipment. You can use the packaging materials from your new batteries to package these ready for sending for recycling. Now, recycling will depend very much on the country in which you are operating. So please check local regulations to do this safely and correctly. Check over the empty cabinet to see if there are any issues or damage. Make sure that the shelves are clean and dry before installing the new batteries, following the detailed instructions in the installation manual and in part 6. Right, see you again later. In summary, remember, batteries are always live, even so-called dead ones. If at any point you are unsure about what you are doing, stop and seek advice. Remove any personal items such as watches, rings or jewellery. Isolate the cabinet from the charger. Switch off the circuit breakers. Disconnect cables from the positive and negative sides with insulated tools. Remove the retaining brackets. Remove connector bars, replacing terminal covers as you go. With the help of a colleague, remove the batteries. Recycle in accordance with regulations. Check and clean the cabinet before installing new batteries.